All right, guys, we got a new product here. It's called the Vantage Point Armory Comp. It's for a Glock. The cool thing about it is that it bolts to your X300, so you can use any of your X300 holsters, and it clacks on to the light rail, and then you get a comp. But I run a Glock 19C, so we're gonna do a one take here real quick where we just do some build drills out at 7 yards, and you can probably see the target. I'm gonna start with a bog standard Glock 19. So even though this is a 19C, you can see in there that's a non-ported barrel. Then we'll put the ported barrel in, run a build drill. Then we'll put the Vantage Armory comp on, and then we'll even put in some tungsten batteries to see how that goes. Okay, so we're just gonna give it all a go. This is what it looks like. It looks pretty cool. I'm very hopeful it works. I've messed with comps in the past, and they've never seemed to work well. So hopefully we'll get a little bit of a different result on this one. So this is just standard Glock 19. I don't think it's gonna change how fast I shoot the gun. I think what's gonna happen is my par times are gonna be about the same, but my groups are gonna tighten up. So cold start, haven't shot around yet. Let's go. Mainly I want you guys just to see the recoil reduction. Okay, so that was unported, and we did a build drill there in 196 with a little bit of trigger freeze, and I threw a Charlie. So let's try on the next one. So we'll pop the gun out. And then real quick, we're just gonna switch the barrel up. So look there, you can see now it's a 19C, the ports are in there. Now my hands are all greasy, which is a bummer. But we're gonna try again here now, okay? So let's see what we can do. All right, here we go.
It's more, the trigger has more, like, lay it out.
So obviously a lot louder. I only threw one Charlie on that one. And I did that in a 181. So a little bit faster. We're getting there. Okay, so now let's try it with the comp with regular batteries in it and see how it goes. All right, here it is. This is it, it's comped. All you gotta do, stick it on there, and you're good to go. Fit in any of your holsters that are run for X300. So let's give it a shot.
For $2,000, yes.
Mine on the other side, or no?
Okay, yeah, there's definitely a reduction in recoil. I did that in a 173. Again, I could just be starting to heat up a little bit. I did throw a Charlie, so we're just gonna do it one more time here real quick. See if you can see the gun. Oh my gosh. It's definitely faster. It's definitely a lot faster. Those were all alphas and 1 Charlie again. It didn't pick it up, but I'm pretty sure that was in the 1.6s or the 1.5s. Okay, so now let's try with the tungsten batteries. That just takes a second to do. If you're familiar with X300s, you know how easy this is. So you gotta just take it off.
Mark your mags, because they'll start getting wiggly and loose.
Crack the battery thing open. That's okay if that falls off. They're your regular batteries. Here are your tungsten batteries. They're W74. You should definitely get a set if you haven't got one already. I know I'm super close to the camera there. Sorry, I hope I can pan out a little bit. All right. So now that's, again, the gun is empty. Okay. So now we got weight on there. And let's see if we can get it again. All right. All right, here we go. It was such a reduction in recoil that I hesitated. So we're gonna try that again. It's hard to get control of. I'm used to the gun bouncing around in my hand. Let's try one more time. Okay, way faster. Okay, and it works. And that's just with regular ammo. That's not with my race bags or anything, so let's try that. Okay, let's see if I can get control of this thing.
This one's you can keep it in your truck. You're gonna be back. You're gonna put this in your truck. So
All right, here we go. Holy crap. Okay, those are all alphas. Stop picking up my shot time. That's pretty quick. Let's see if I can do that again. That was only 5. We'll hit it one more. All right, here we go, last one. No, that's not the last one. It's so quick that I'm having to have to relearn the gun. Wow. Okay. So 158. Okay. So I'm just gonna take a couple of quick shots now. Maybe we can slow-mo them, and you can see the recoil reduction. So this is ported and comped with a light with weights in it. So here we go. Let's see. Oh, the dot doesn't move. Wow. So here's controlled pairs. Oh. Wow. Okay, we're gonna shoot one more round mag. Again, this is all factory ammo now. 15 round mags. Maybe we'll do a mag dump here. Try to get it on camera. Let's just see if I can push it out there and drop rounds for y'all. I mean, there's no recoil. And look, if I reel this target in, this is what I was shooting. Okay, so we had a couple that fly up because I'm just getting used to the gun. But the recoil is going bang, 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 and every once in a while I'm letting one fly. That's insane. I'll tell you right now, I bet you I'm gonna be a sponsored shooter for Vantage Point here on this little gun here shortly. This is my concealed carry gun. It's gonna stay on there. I also shoot the matches with my concealed carry gun most of the time. I also have a match gun, but this now has way less recoil than the match gun, and I prefer the grip of a 19 over a 34. So interesting results. Happy.